So let's take a look at this interesting apps called Doka Camera. So you can just find it like this. So Doka Cam, AI Compose Film Filter. So here you can see AI filters. This minimalist AI camera is a minimalist AI camera that helps you capture perfectly balanced compositions and natural true-to-life colors with AI real-time composition guidance, smart filter features. So this is not just some kind of vintage camera. This is the camera where you have this AI composition, where you can have smart scene analysis with real-time AR guidance. So where to better point your camera, where is the best way to capture the light. So you just have this, guidance from AI. And then you have this also an auto framing from AI, filter recommendations from AI, like what is the best filter for this photo. And then also you have vintage filters, but there are a lot of apps which have vintage filters. This is not like in this app you have all these AI compositions. So let's just show it to you. So here is basically you have kind of the app, and in the bottom right you have this AI composition. AI is analyzing, just as an example, and then it's just analyzing. So for example, it just says it has some empty view, whatever. Let's just put a ball here. And then you need to aim in here. And then this is kind of the idea. And then I don't know what that is, plan 2. You can have plan 1 or plan 2. And then you see it's recommending me filters. So then I can just kind of take a photo. Like, it's just also analyzing. So then again, this is kind of the process. And then it's kind of recommending filters, but I don't know which. You can also swipe filters here in the bottom left. I don't know whether it's adding them automatically, but yeah, this is kind of the idea of the app, that it automatically creates composition for you, the best view, and it recommends filters. Obviously, you need to do it with some landscape views and so on. Then it can really have a nice effect. Then yeah, you have all the basic features, like you just select all of these details, and then you have again vintage cameras. But that's, yeah, again, the main feature is that you have these AI things. And then you can also have personalized AI filters, levels. And then you can also tap Get Pro, unlimited AI composition scans, AI smart filter packs, and then you can just see the details in here. And that's kind of what you have. So that's the app. Pretty cool. I think there will be more and more apps like that, where AI is just helping you to position your phone to get the best possible overview, and things like that, to get the best frame, get the best filter. Because for non-professional photographers, it's really hard actually to identify the best filter and so on. So yeah, that's kind of the idea of the app.